Hi friend, in this video I am going to show you turn on always on display on your Android phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, open the settings application on your phone. After that, scroll down a little, look for the lock screen and AOD option, click on them. Here you can find the always on display option, tap on it to open the page. Right now this option is turned off, simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. After it's enabled, you can also customize them by open the point to show option. Here you can see 4 different options. Tap to show, always, as schedule for new notification. Choose the option if you set. For example, I am select always. You can also back to the previous screen, then find the show now bar. You can turn on or off if you prefer, and that's it how you can easily enable always on display on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe my channel.